No judgment.
Don't worry, we don't judge, we support here.
There you guys have it. As you can see, we have the Zl1 hood two-piece announcing very soon, and one will be active for you guys to get this product with us. We are super happy to rock this brand new hood that we just made, not on the market just yet, to be on Kasey's SS Gen 6. Also, she's rocking our Gen 6 Zl1 conversion kit, 6-piece with the upper grille, lower grille, the bezels, and the bumper shell. We also added a little nice touch for her. She also added the mesh grille right behind the Zl1 grille and the bezels to give the car a more aggressive of look. We are super excited. As you can see, you saw everything on the car. Our soon to be announced launch Zl1 hood two-piece product, our Zl1 conversion kit, and lastly the Spyder headlights. We just want to thank the time and say thank you Kasey and Austin for letting us come out to the Bay Area. It was awesome meeting them for the first time, even though we've known them for a good amount of time now. And to finally work on a Camaro like this beautiful Gen 6 here, it's a truly honor, and we really appreciate the opportunity. Again, we can't wait to show you guys what more we're going to be adding to this Gen 6.